Everyone online says you can make $100 per day with YouTube Shorts. But is that actually realistic in 2026? Today I calculated the real numbers, including views, RPM, competition, and how long it would actually take a beginner in the USA. No hype, just math. First, let's understand how YouTube Shorts actually pay. Shorts don't pay like long videos. Instead of earning from ads placed directly on your video, Shorts creators are paid from a shared ad revenue pool. Now here's the important part. The average Shorts RPM is between 5 cents and 30 cents per 1,000 views. That means if you get 100,000 views, you might earn $5 on the low end, $30 on the high end. That's a big difference from long-form finance videos, which can earn $5 to $15 per 1,000 views. Now, let's calculate how many views you need to make $100 per day. If your RPM is 10 cents per 1,000 views, to earn $100 in one day, you would need 1 million views per day. Yes, 1 million views daily. Even if your RPM is higher, say 25 cents, you would still need around 400,000 views per day. That's not impossible, but it's not easy either. So, is this realistic for beginners? For a new channel, reaching 1 million views per day is extremely rare. Most beginners get 500 views, 2,000 views, maybe 10,000 views if a video performs well. Even if you upload daily, it may take months before you consistently hit large numbers. Shorts can go viral, but viral is not a strategy, consistency is. Now here's the smarter strategy. The smarter approach is use Shorts for growth, use long-form videos for income. For example, if a long finance video earns $8 RPM, you only need 12,500 views to make $100. That's far more realistic than 1 million Shorts views. So instead of chasing viral Shorts, build authority with long videos, then use Shorts to bring traffic. So can you make $100 per day with YouTube Shorts? Yes, but only with massive, consistent views. For most beginners, Shorts alone will not create stable income. If your goal is serious money, you need long-form content combined with Shorts. That's the honest breakdown. Which side hustle should I calculate next?